Ever felt like your iPhone is a digital black hole, swallowing important files and refusing to spit them back out? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to finding any file on your iPhone. No more digital hide-and-seek. The quickest way to find something is using Spotlight Search. Simply swipe down from the middle of your home screen. A search bar will appear at the top. Start typing the name of your file, an app, a contact, or even a keyword from within a document. You'll see results appear instantly. Tap on the correct file to open it directly. For more organized file management, the built-in Files app is your best friend. Open the Files app, and you'll see different locations where your files are stored. This includes a cloud drive and on my iPhone. Within the Files app, there's also a search bar at the top. Tap it and type in the name of the document, image, or folder you're looking for. The app will then show you all matching files across your connected storage. For images and videos, the Photos app is the primary location. You can browse by date, memories, or albums. Don't forget the search bar within the Photos app. You can search for people, places, or even objects like dogs or beach. If you use third-party cloud storage services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive, each has its own dedicated app. Open the specific app, and you'll find navigation and search functions similar to the native Files app to locate your stored data. By mastering Spotlight Search, the Files app, and understanding where your photos and cloud data live, you'll become a pro at finding anything on your iPhone in no time.